Hey guys, what's going on? All right, so this is my intro to this video. All right, so like I said, I'm uploading home videos every Tuesday. Kind of not sure of the time just yet. I think I'm trying to see how often you guys are on. It's looking like Tuesdays are when everybody is on, I think mid-afternoon, so I'll probably try to upload it. So like I said, Sundays and Tuesdays are going to be my upload days. Sundays are going to be luxury and lifestyle days, and then Tuesdays are going to be home, DIY, decor, inspo, everything in between that has to do with home. All right, so cleaning motivation, updates on, like, decor and everything like that, and what I've incorporated into the home itself. So you guys just let me know what you think about that. And the reason why I'm doing that, because I don't want to have it all kind of like mixed in when it comes to just one day a week of an upload. So I'm going back to 2 times a week to upload, and I'm separating them. So it's going to be, like I said, Sunday and Tuesdays. So hopefully that works for everyone. Hopefully everyone gets to enjoy the separation. But like I said, hopefully that goes well. You guys like it, enjoy it, subscribe to it if you haven't already. But again, I'm going to do a quick unboxing with you guys when it comes to what I have incorporated in this space. All right, so I'm going to show you what I did with the space itself. You guys know that my bathroom is the space. My bathroom and my closet is a space that I consider to be my sanctuary. All right, so either which way, I'm trying to do like this whole spa retreat for my bathroom, and I've already started with like this wall behind the bathroom door, and I'll kind of show you guys what I did. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, and it has to do with decor, and we're gonna go ahead and put that in the space once you see everything from start to finish when it comes to this little area. And let me know what you think. All right, if you're not following me on Instagram, you guys, you need to go ahead and do that, because I've already showed the space and how it is or whatever like that. But I'll leave my link below to go and follow me, and like, comment, share, and subscribe as always. All right, I will check you guys later. I will come back and we'll do the little unboxing. All right, enjoy. So literally I had nothing but boxes right here in this corner, which is behind the bathroom door. When you first walk in, I'm actually getting rid of all of those shoes, giving away to Goodwill. They're kind of like, old, but they're still in good condition. So, I don't know. They're kind of like outdated, but I did keep some things. That's what you hear now. And these are actually really cute. All right, so these are really cute. You guys, listen, I know everybody's doing like a little thrifting, but I'm doing thrifting in my own closet. Things have been in the garage ever since we moved. My first time kind of like getting some things out. And I'm gonna rock these. I think the print is really cute. So yeah. Hello, my YouTube family, what's going on? All right, sorry, the vent is on. It was just very hot and steamy in here. Just took a shower because I'm overheated. But another day, and I'm going to finish, because last night I started with the shoes and trying to separate them, give them away, decide which ones I'm keeping, because I want to, kind of like do a whole little spot area on the back of the wall in the bathroom. So I'm going to finish that today, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish moving the rest of the shoes, like I said, separate them and kind of like decide what I'm going to finish doing with them. And then I'm going to start doing like the wallpaper on the back of this door in the bathroom. This is the beginning stages of me kind of just doing up the bathroom and making it like a spa-like feeling for myself, and that was always the goal. So I really do love this bathroom. I love the size of it and the closet, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna finish trying to do that wall. Today is really just removing the rest of the shoes, putting up the wallpaper, and then from there I'm kind of just, you know, gonna order stuff from Amazon, and then I'm going to probably go to Home Goods and see what kind of shelves they have to hang up, or what kind of like decorations they have or whatever like that. So let's finish. All right, let's go. All right, so these are the rest of the shoes right here. I'm gonna move these, put them in the living room, and then I'm gonna just sweep up here, and then I'm gonna measure out the wall. You guys, here we go. All right, you guys, so this is what the wallpaper is looking like so far. I'm liking the look. I really like the color. I like the design. Again, I got this from Target. It is a little bit of a hassle, but so far so good. So we're just gonna finish up and we'll be done. All right, you guys, so this is what's happening right now. Okay, so I know you guys can see this. It's picking up, the shade is just picking up. So I need to literally, there's nothing I can do about that. All right, so I'm just at a loss for words because I never intended to actually use a different batch. So again, like I told you guys before, this batch was the first one that I put up here. This particular batch matches all the other ones in the powder room. And the reason why I had to go and get that is because we needed it to reach across this wall, right? So the reason why we had to get it, because this particular batch that's right here lined up with this batch right here. And that's why we use that, because otherwise if we would have used the excess from here, it wouldn't have reached to the bottom. So yes, the color is off. It's really, really irritating, but I am going to not look at it because it is picking up on camera. But when I'm staring and looking at it here, it doesn't pick up. The only good thing about it is if I ever wanted to change out the wallpaper, I can. All I have to do is just take the shelves down once I put them up, and then we'll just go from there, because I more than likely might keep this up for a little bit and then do that. But again, I think once I start to put the shelves up, you're not really going to notice, because right now, like I said, you actually see the difference in color, and it's so irritating. I don't know why they do that. It's like, if you're gonna make it, just make all the batches the same and then just go from there. But either which way, hopefully the vision comes through in my head the way I'm hoping it to come through. So yeah, that is the bottom. I like the way it looks there. My husband did a good job by cutting it. But just stay tuned. That's what I'm looking at right now. All right. All right. All right, you guys, so I purchased this actually from Lowe's. And this is the Allen and Roth floating wall shelf in the Barner finish. What is it, babe? It's fine. What is it?
It's your dad.
Oh my goodness. What is it?
It's your wedding.
Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, so here is this Allen and Roth floating wall shelf. I actually picked this up from Lowe's, and this, as you can see, is what it looks like. I like the little detail right here. Hopefully the depth, it's deep enough because I'm trying to make it like a more spa-like feeling. So hopefully I can actually throw some towels on there with some decor and it looks really nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this up. Probably ask my husband to do it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this up and see how it looks. I'm gonna open it and see how it looks, and hopefully it looks good. But yeah, this is a 36-inch across, 9 inches in depth, so hopefully it looks good.
It's gonna be snug. This is meant to be.
All the way?
Yeah, just don't do it too fast so don't break it.
Wait, what?
Gotta push up. Don't hold down on the top.
Okay.
Is it all the way in?
Yeah, you want me to do more?
Is it
It's okay to me, but I mean.
smooth?
You guys, so you are seeing this space in all its completed glory. So I still have a lot of decorating to do. Do not mind my linen closet that's right in there. I'm kind of like folding and doing laundry and everything. So I just wanted to kind of show you this space and how it looks. Again, the wallpaper is from Target. I bought these shelves from Lowe's, and I will try to link everything below in the description box, but don't mind the towels. I was trying to just see what it was gonna look like to kind of have like, you know, that spa feel. So these flowers right here, I'll probably move, and I'm thinking about maybe putting like a basket or even like a hamper down there. I might just put a basket just to kind of like, you know, fill in that space and make it look more spa-like. But this right there, I really love it. I think it's so cute, and I just purchased something else, and I'm waiting to purchase something completely different from this company. So let's go ahead and open this up, you guys. All right, so the company itself, it's actually called, let me see, Expedition. Let's focus. All right, so Expedition Sahara. Sub-Sahara. All right, so it's really nice, really cute. I will link the Instagram below. So I am excited. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so cute. It's literally handmade. This basket is too cute. I love the colors. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Let's put her over here and let's just see. So she looks cute. See, I like this one right here, but this is what I was talking about. So I'm going to put it right there just that way you can see. But basically, I'm going to put a basket that's bigger because they sell bigger basket that has actually like a top, like how this one is as far as like a top. So this is just more of an open basket. And I like that. So I might just take this and put it on the third shelf to kind of like, enhance the ceiling more or whatever, even though ceilings are tall. But I do like this open basket. It's really cute. I think it's a little bit small for this space right here. So I am going to take it and put it up. But I just wanted to kind of show you how pretty, how beautiful it is, the colors and everything. And then you can kind of see, you can put whatever you want in there. So yeah, the colors are so nice. So pretty, and it's handmade, so cute. So definitely I'm going to purchase more because I like the way it looks. So yeah, let's go ahead and try that and then just see. Let me see. All right, so I don't know if it fits right there because it's kind of like hanging off of the shelf right here because the shelf's depth is not that wide, I guess. So if you come over here, you can actually see it more. So I'll see, because like I said, I purchased this one from them as well, and I like the way that basket looks. So I'll just kind of see, play around with it a little bit. But I wanted to kind of just unbox that with you guys. Again, Expedition Sub-Sahara is the name of the company. Black owned, West African owned. I love it. I love the colors. I love, everything they're doing as far as like the purchasing and what goes into it. So yeah. All right, you guys, so you just saw the completion of that spa wall. Again, I have so much more decorating to do with that wall. You just saw me unbox that cute little basket. I'm gonna purchase more, but I'm gonna play around with those shelves a little bit or whatever, because I do have a lot that I want to do. I want to put, some kind of like spa, treatment style items in there, decor pieces or whatever. So yeah, more than likely once I get decor pieces, I'm always going to kind of like throw it up on Instagram. So like I said, follow me over there, you guys, so that way you don't miss anything. But yeah, every Tuesday uploads for home decor. All right, home inspo, cleaning with me, everything in between that has to do with home. All right, and then of course Sundays are always going to be lifestyle and luxury. So subscribe, click the bell notification, that way you do not miss an upload. I don't miss you, you don't miss me, and we're here. All right, come on, let's grow. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.